If you're breastfeeding and your nipples hurt, you may be wondering, is this normal, or is something wrong? Welcome to Pump with Thilly, where we help new moms feel more confident throughout their breastfeeding journey. Some nipple tenderness can be normal, especially during the first days or weeks after birth. You may notice mild sensitivity when your baby first latches, but it should usually improve quickly during the feeding. Your nipples should not remain severely painful throughout the entire session, and breastfeeding should not feel unbearable. Pain that is sharp, pinching, burning, or worsening with every feed deserves attention. One of the most common causes is a shallow latch. When your baby takes mostly the nipple instead of a deep mouthful of breast tissue, the nipple can become compressed and damaged. You may notice cracked, bleeding, flattened, or misshapen nipples after feeding. Another possible cause is pumping. Using a breast pump with the wrong flange size, excessive suction, or overly long pumping sessions can cause soreness and irritation. Pumping should not feel like you are being pulled or pinched. A comfortable setting and properly fitting flange can make a major difference. Nipple pain can also be associated with milk blebs, inflammation, infection, or vasospasm. If your nipples become intensely painful, change color, or continue hurting between feeds, it's worth speaking with a lactation professional or healthcare provider. So, how can you tell the difference? Mild tenderness that gradually improves is generally more reassuring. Persistent, severe, worsening, or unexplained pain is not something you simply have to tolerate. Pay attention to your baby's latch, your nipple appearance after feeding, and how your breasts and nipples feel between sessions. Getting help early can prevent a small problem from becoming a painful breastfeeding challenge. Remember, breastfeeding is not supposed to be a test of how much pain you can endure. If something doesn't feel right, you deserve support. This is Pump with Thilly. Subscribe for more practical breastfeeding, newborn feeding, and breast pump guidance designed to help you feel more confident, comfortable, and informed.